I found love in you. And I've learned to love me.
Now, when I wanted to ask Nadeen to marry me, I had to get her blessings from the dad and her grandma. Dad was cool. Grandma told me, "No, not my baby."
This is why I love you, because you love me. You love me. This is why I love you. Ooh, this is why I love you, because you love.
Who findeth a wife, findeth a good thing, and obtain favor of the Lord.
I found love.
Someone said to me, "You're losing a son." I said, "No, I'm not. I'm gaining a daughter." So y'all keep that in mind.
Chases all the pain away, forever and a while. And my heart is where you'll stay. And this is why I love you. Ooh, this is why I love you, because you love me. You love me.
Kevin, will you take Nadeen to be your lawful wedded wife?
Your mom.
You may kiss the bride.
The stars have all aligned, and right now is the perfect time to say, I love you, 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 I do. This is why I love you.
Congratulations, and I wish you guys a lifetime of happiness. Marriage is a beautiful thing.
10 years.
Welcome to the married
If you want it now, jump in the Cadillac. Girl, let's put some miles on it. Anything you want, just to put a smile on it. You deserve it, baby, you deserve it all. And I'm gonna give it to you. Gold jewelry shining so bright. Strawberry champagne on us. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Sex by the fire at night, silk sheets and diamonds, all white. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. I'm talking trips to Puerto Rico. Say the word and we go. You can be my flica, girl, I'll be a flico, mamacita. I would never make a promise that I can't keep. I promise that your smile ain't gonna never leave. Shopping sprees in Paris, everything 24 carats. Take a look in that mirror. Now tell me who's the fairest.